In today's video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about whether Monarch Money is worth it, especially looking ahead to 2025. We'll dive into its features, and I'll guide you step by step through what makes Monarch Money an excellent choice, particularly for couples and shared finances. So let's get right into it. First off, Monarch Money really shines when it comes to managing joint expenses. If you're in a couple or dealing with shared finances, you'll find Monarch's interface perfect for linking multiple accounts. This means you can bring together both personal and shared accounts, allowing you to track everything in one convenient dashboard. By clicking on this feature, you'll discover how seamless it is to set shared financial goals and work collaboratively, transforming financial management into a team effort. Next, let's look at the comprehensive financial overview Monarch provides. With this feature, you gain a full picture of your financial health. This includes tracking your spending habits, savings, investments, and net worth all in one place. It doesn't just present numbers, it offers customizable reports and visualizations. This way, you can tailor insights to your particular needs, making it easier to understand your financial situation and plan accordingly. Monarch also offers flexible budgeting options, a crucial element for many users. It's all about personalization here, with the app allowing you to choose between different budgeting methods like category-based or more flexible approaches. This adaptability ensures you can manage your finances in a way that fits your lifestyle and preferences, whether you prefer a structured budget or something more relaxed. Now let's talk about security, which we know is on everyone's mind when dealing with financial apps. Monarch prioritizes both data security and privacy, so you can feel secure knowing that your financial information is well protected. Notably, Monarch assures users that it does not sell their data, offering peace of mind that your personal information remains just that, personal. As we wrap this up, remember that Monarch Money's value lies not just in its features, but in how it can help you streamline financial management, especially in a shared context. Whether you're looking to consolidate accounts, track comprehensive financial metrics, or tailor your budgeting style, Monarch offers a robust platform that adapts to your needs. Plus, its strong emphasis on security means that your information remains protected, giving you one less thing to worry about. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful in determining whether Monarch Money is worth considering for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next video.